This is a training program developed by BSS Management Consultancy to assist organizations to build capacity to increase grant funding, strengthen their financial independence, and improve financial viability. As part of this training, we offer access to our free directory of grant-making charitable trusts and foundations, which should assist you to immediately put into practice most of the concepts learned and start the process of increasing your income. We also offer participants the opportunity to complete our online multiple-choice test questions at the end of the course in order to obtain a certificate of completion. Participants are also given access to our training portal for a period of 6 months, and all downloadable materials are available free of charge as part of this course. You can send in questions you have to our tutors via our email, training@bssresponders.com. We do not answer questions over the phone, so please ensure all questions are sent to us by email, and we will endeavor to respond within 3 working days. Finally, should you wish to enroll more than one staff member in your organization on this course, do contact us for a special discount of up to 30%. Now, let's turn our attention to the objectives of this course. The objectives of this course are numerous. On this slide, we've listed them as follows. To define what is a project proposal for funding. To review the fundamental principles underpinning successful project proposals. To look at how to effectively plan your proposal writing, ensuring that you are familiar with the typical questions asked by funders. To provide tips on how to describe your organization to attract funders' interest. To ensure you clearly articulate the purpose of your proposal to demonstrate strategic fit with funders' priorities. As part of the objectives of this course, we also want to ensure you describe your project's beneficiaries and partners. You develop your project needs statement. You link expected achievements to goals and objectives. You clearly communicate your project approach. You learn Gantt modeling for developing your project work plan. You tackle the financial budgeting of your project as well as financial management. You devise your project management plan for effective monitoring and evaluation. You demonstrate sustainability of your project. And you finalize your proposal writing and submit to funders in their required format and within the specified deadline. The question we must first answer is this: what is a project proposal? It's much like a business plan. It's usually prepared for people who are not familiar with either your organization or your project. The proposal plan gives the reader all the information needed about you and the activity you have in mind. Still on the definition of a project proposal, you need to know that a project proposal is critical to funders. In the same way a bank needs to see a business plan before issuing you a loan, a funder needs to see a project proposal. Development agencies are not only interested in the management and financial parts of your business or project, they have a strong interest in the development aims. A proposal for funding a project usually contains a well-coordinated plan of activities designed to provide measurable solutions to a specific problem in order to accomplish social and economic benefits for a target market or beneficiary. It fundamentally requires the proposer to think about what the funder's needs are, that is, what is in it for the funder. To get a project off the ground, money is only part of the challenge. A successful project is built on great ideas that meet real needs and goals that can be achieved. A successful project is also built on having the right people and resources to carry out the project, a strong commitment and participation in developing the project, and making decisions.